With a surge of inexperienced opportunists entering the solar industry, installation regulations are becoming stricter by the day. Company Partners has partnered with a team of experts to develop a comprehensive Solar Accreditation course to give you the advantage you need to get started. It all starts with our world-class online course that's designed to provide you with the practical training you need to succeed in the solar industry. Then, get access to project planning and equipment, all supported by our experienced guys. Our Solar Accreditation course will walk you through the visual steps of a real-world solar installation as if you were there. This will give you a very practical understanding of how an installation works and will lay the foundation for you to better understand the theory side of solar so that you can get accredited and officially start your solar business. If you enjoy building things, have electrical experience, and would love to start a new company where you'll see the results of your hard work quickly, a solar course could be for you. Johanna and Ben were just like you. They had a dream of starting their own solar company and collaborated with the solar agency to make it a reality. They made 1 million in sales and over 100,000 Rand in profit in their first month. Now, both of them are involved in training new solar installers. Don't pass up this opportunity to expand your business and capitalize on the solar industry's boom. We have tried and tested training strategies, which include theory quizzes, visual practical examples, and a solar accreditation in your hands. After you've completed the Solar Accreditation course, you can apply to become a solar member and unlock access to a team of solar experts to get installation support, stock at low prices, as well as marketing and compliance support. Applications are limited and they're running out quickly. Don't miss out on this massive opportunity. Register for our Solar Accreditation course today.